guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to make the most delicious smothered turkey wings. To get started, I have the turkey wings already washed and prepped, and I'll be using some green seasoning. I will leave a link down below for the green seasoning recipe. I have some oil, garlic powder, onion powder, bouillon. I'll be using some poultry seasoning, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some smoked paprika. Let's jump right in. So to get started, you want to combine all of your seasonings. When you do this, it will be evenly distributed onto the wings. Then we will go in with some oil that will make the seasoning stick. Then we will generously coat the wings with the seasonings. We will also add some green seasoning. I will leave the correct measurements that I used down in my description box. And then you want to get in there with your hands, or you can use some gloves and just massage the seasonings into those wings, guys. Then once we're done, we will cover this and let it sit overnight in the fridge. Tomorrow I will show you guys the next step. So fast forward to the next day, I have my turkey wings here. I did take it out of the fridge like an hour prior so it could come up to room temperature, and I placed it into my baking dish. I did grease the dish first at the bottom, and here I'll be using some homemade chicken broth. If you want to see how I made this, you can check out my cornbread dressing recipe. I have some onions, bell peppers, some butter, and I'll be using some flour. So what you want to do here is just add the bell peppers and the onions right over top of those turkey wings. It doesn't matter how you add it. You can add it in any order that you like. And then what we'll do next is we will start adding our flour to the chicken broth. Now, if you're using store-bought chicken broth, I'll advise you to add some bouillon in there. You know, like chicken bouillon cubes or the powder, you want to add a little bit of that in there because the store-bought chicken broth doesn't have any taste, and the bouillon would be perfect for that. If you have better than bouillon also, you can add some in it. So once we add our flour into that chicken broth, make sure that it's well combined and there's no lumps. We will then add it into or baking dish. You want to add it to the sides and stuff. You don't want to pour it wild so that it wash the seasoning off. You just want to get it into the sides and stuff. Find the hole in the middle and you pour it in there. Then we will place our butter right over top, and we will cover this and place it in a 375-degree oven, and we'll cook this for about 2 hours. Then I'll show you guys what's next. So after about 2 hours, you want to remove the foil wrap and place this back into the oven for about 30 to 45 more minutes. You want it to get nice and golden brown over top. Right now it doesn't look appetizing. We want that golden brown. Once it comes out of the oven, finally, this is what it looks like. And you know me, I like to garnish with my fresh parsley to add a pop of color and brightness. And this is our smothered turkey wings, guys. Now what you want to do is get in there with that gravy that we made and just smother them. Just pour that gravy all over them, guys. And it was so mouth-watering. I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. If you want, you can pair it with mashed potatoes, rice, mac and cheese, whatever. But let's just take a look at how tender these wings are, guys. The meat is simply falling off the bone, and that's exactly how you want your turkey wings. It is so good. It was flavorful, tender, and delicious. I did plate it up with some mac and cheese, collard greens, cornbread dressing with cranberry sauce, and it was absolutely divine. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all the ingredients that I use down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.